What's going on, guys? Welcome to East West Beats, and today I wanted to show you this super simple MIDI trick, FM8 trick from Native Instrument that everyone's gonna love. So let's check it out. So that's a simple piano that you're hearing. Now, the most awesome thing about this is you can quickly get that to turn into something like this. All you EDM producers are going to love this trick. So let's just put a groove and a bass and see how that piano sounded before. And let's enable the FM8 track and see how that sounds now. Super cool, right? So what I did is I laid down some chords first on a piano, and then I loaded up FM8 instrument right here. And what you're going to do here is you're going to load up all the instruments that you guys want. Right now I loaded up 6 different instruments. You enable the program button, and then you double click on the MIDI. You go to MIDI automation right here, down there, and then right here you will go into MIDI automation and program change right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to just randomly change the program of the MIDI. So as I'll play, you'll see that the MIDI changes the program right here. And instead of having 6 different instruments, you can do this in FM8. Just load up multiple instruments right here. I think you can do literally 128 instruments and have it randomized. And it only uses one VST, and it randomly just changes in and out of different presets. So you don't have to load up multiple instruments if you're just going to do a chord type of an effect. So let's play it one more time and see how that sounds. All right, let's see what's here. Again, another EP that's playing on top of it. And then again, let's just change the instrument so you guys can hear the difference. Here we're gonna just bring this one here. Let's go to 80s pad right here. Let's load up a Utopia as the second program. We'll go Dig Deep as the 5th, and then we'll do a Magic Stick as the 6th, and let's see how that sounds. Now that's just me randomly loading up instruments, but if you're doing with a bit of planning, you can get some really cool patterns. And that's it. Just wanted to show you guys this quick trick that I learned. And if you guys like this, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys are staying safe and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys soon.